Hey, it's Marco, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete a photo album on your iPhone. But before I show you that, please subscribe to my channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is you want to open up the photo app, then go to your albums and then click on see all to see all of your albums. Then on the top right, click on edit and then you will see this red circle with the white line. Basically you click on that and click on delete. One thing to notice, this will only delete the album, it won't delete your photos in that album, they will be still on your phone, so you don't have to worry about that. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to help you out.